Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a gift you would like to buy for your friend. You should say, how do you know your friend? How long have you known him, her? How would you choose a gift for him, her? And explain why you would choose that gift for him, her? I'd really like to get my best Palace smartwatch as a gift. Rohit is my friend, and we have been friends since our school days. We were close friends right away when we met in 8th school, since we had similar tastes in music, sports, and technology. Our relationship has only gotten closer with time, and now I think of him more as a brother than a friend. Since we first met about 10 years ago, we have experienced many highs and lows together, including tests, holidays, difficulties, and even long-distance communication when we had to transfer to different locations for college. He works extremely hard and always helps others, frequently forgetting to look for himself, which is one of the qualities I appreciate most about him. Since I know he enjoys technology and has recently developed a strong interest in health, I would get him a smartwatch. He frequently discusses monitoring his heart rate, sleep patterns, and steps. During his hectic schedule, a smartwatch would help him stay in shape, manage his time more effectively, and receive reminders and messages. I would most likely read internet reviews, contrast brands and features, and pick one that is both fashionable and useful for everyday use. I would pick this present not only because it's practical but also because it demonstrates my attention to detail and concern for his well. I want to give him something special that shows how much I value our friendship because he has always been there for me during my darkest moments. I have no doubt that receiving such a considerate present would truly make him happy and touched. Finally, purchasing a smartwatch for Rohit would be a modest token of my appreciation for all of the years of support and friendship. It would represent our deep bond and cherished memories in addition to being a gift.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.